Welcome back. It was a dreary but warm day across the CSRA today. Clouds stuck with us throughout the day today, and clouds are still with us across the CSRA at this hour. You're taking a live look outside with our downtown Augusta Tower Cam. It's the Fox 54 Weather Now Tower Cam Network, sponsored by Brighter Side Roofing. You can see downtown Augusta looking bright under the cloud cover at this time. Clouds are keeping temperatures mild at this time. We've got 57 in Augusta, 59 in Aiken. Out towards the east, Barnwell, Bamberg, and Allendale, you have 60 degrees. Further up to the north, 57 in McCormick. We have 58 in Washington. Thompson, you are 59 degrees. Live Doppler radar is dry. Clouds are not producing any rainfall at this time, but out towards the west, you can see a little bit of color on the map up towards Athens, basically paralleling the I-85 corridor, bringing this out across the two-state, putting it into motion. Plenty of cloud cover all across the CSRA, swinging in from west to east. Once again, you can see that shower activity basically streamlining the I-85 corridor, working its way into the upstate of South Carolina. Then looking out here towards the west, things get a little more unsettled with a lot more color on the map. That is where the weather action is right now. This is where our frontal boundary is located at this time, and that's where we're seeing that scattered shower and thunderstorm activity. With this developing frontal boundary, plenty of moisture is being ushered in from the Gulf of Mexico out ahead of this frontal system. You see these bright colors on the map. That is where the moisture is located, and that is where we are seeing our frontal boundary at this time. Eventually, we're going to get all this moisture and this frontal boundary to move into our area by tomorrow afternoon. It's just slowly creeping its way into our area at this time because there's not a lot of energy with it right now, but we're expecting another area of low pressure to develop along this front, and we're going to get a little bit more energy from the system as that low pressure develops along the stalled out frontal boundary on Monday. So we do have a threat for some severe storms to develop as we head into Monday, and this is from the Severe Storms Prediction Center. So it is a slight chance for some severe thunderstorms. Storms that do develop could have some strong gusty winds, and it pretty much encompasses all of the CSRA. So here's the impacts that we are expecting with the development of this low pressure along the stalled frontal boundary. Our timing will be Sunday afternoon into Monday. Some heavy rain at times. 2 to 3 inches of rain will be possible. Thunderstorms are expected, and with the heavy rain, we could possibly see some flash flooding, and we could also see those strong storms develop as we head into Monday as well. So we'll see this on Futurecast, putting it into motion, going all the way into tomorrow morning. Low temperatures overnight, mainly in the mid to upper 50s, but look what happens as we head off to church tomorrow morning. Upper 50s, but then we see that color developing on the map. A little bit of color dropping through the area throughout the day tomorrow, so you're going to want that rain gear. I think most of the action tomorrow will maintain into the late afternoon hours. Then the heaviest of the activity will start over night tonight as we look into late Sunday afternoon. More color on the map, so a better chance for rain as we head later in the day. So our forecast for tonight: low temperatures in the mid to upper 50s. Cloudies, maybe an isolated shower to develop. Otherwise, for tomorrow, sunrise coming up at 7:16. We're going to say rain and storms likely by the afternoon. Breezy at times. High temperatures in the mid to upper 60s. Your 7-day forecast. Storms likely again on Monday. That is our Weather Now alert a day. Tuesday, cooler and windy behind our frontal system. Once we get this nasty weather out of here, 62 degrees for the high. Valentine's Day looking lovely on Wednesday, and Thursday sunny and pleasant. Friday